how to create a Facebook page on iPhone. First of all, open your Facebook, make sure that you're logged into your account, then tap on the menu bar right here. After doing that, you can see the option of create Facebook page. Tap on it, and then you'll get two different options, whether to create a new page or using your existing profile to use the same name and details. For now, I'm going to choose create a new page and then tap on next. After doing that here, you'll need to name your page. And in here, you'll now to select the categories of your page. For now, I'm going to select this category and this one too. And after selecting all of the categories, all you need to do is tap on create. And in here, you'll now need to fill up your details for your page. So first of all, write your bio. So after writing down your bio here, you can see you'll need to write down your contacts in here. If you have your website, email, phone number, just fill it up. And in here, you'll need to write down your location. And in here, we also have the city or town. And we also have the options of hours that your page will be available. For now, I'm going to go with no hours available. And when everything is set, all you need to do is tap on next. And now if you want to add your profile or cover picture, all you need to do is tap on these camera icon right here. Then your gallery will be opened and you can select the photos that you want to set as a profile or cover picture. And then from here, all you need to do is tap on next. So in here, if you want to invite your friends, there will be the option of simply searching for your friends, or you will also get your friends here. All you need to do is tap on invite in order to invite them to like your page. After doing that, simply tap on next. And in here, if you want to get mails about promoting or marketing your page, you can simply turn this option on. And the second option that we have is turning on your notification on your profile about your page. If you want that, keep that on. For now, I'm just going to do that and then tap on done. So after doing that here, you can see we have now successfully created ourselves a Facebook page. You can now start adding your post or anything that you want on your page. And if you ever want to switch back to your profile, what you can do is simply tap on the arrow right here. Then your profile will show here. Simply tap on it. And just like that, we are back on our Facebook profile. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.